Cardi B on this thing, man. You already know what the fuck going on. Love.
What is good with y'all? It's your boy Cardi B, and I am back with another banger, man. And in today's video, this is just gonna be something slight, man. I'm finna be showing y'all and explaining to y'all how to get 500 subscribers in 10 days, man. Yes, 10 days. No, I'm not lying. And bro, this is real sauce I'm finna be dropping, man. So before we get into this video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to follow me on my Instagram and ask me any further questions, man. If you want to really get this down packed, this YouTube stuff, man, just DM me. You feel me? Let's get this work in, though, man. Hey, as y'all can see, I got my pamphlet, man. I got my, you feel me? I got that thing on me. So this is gonna be a real informational video, man. So it's time to get serious. You feel me? Class is now in session, man. Teacher Bo is in the motherfucking building. Teacher Bo, Mr. Bo, my bad, is in the building. But hey, let's get into it, man. So step one, download YouTube Studio, man. So now I'm finna just actually, hold on. Now that I'm moving a little ahead of myself. All right, this is what I'm finna do. I've written down 4 different steps, man. So you finna just go over these steps. Well, once I go over the step, I'm gonna just, you feel me, give y'all like a good example and a definition so you can understand it a little more. All right, so for step number 1, download YouTube Studio so you can see behind the scenes on your channel and analytics that will be helpful and give you an advantage, you feel me, over other YouTubers. So now, download YouTube Studio if you haven't already. That's a very, you feel me, dope app, and it helps you just see behind the scenes. You can see your views, real-time count. You can, if you're on the phone, you can see behind the scenes features. You can see extra features that you don't see on the YouTube app. That's the thing, YouTube app is just the YouTube app. The YouTube Studio app is for the creators, so you're gonna want to download that app so you can see all the analytics on your videos, what videos is doing the most views, what videos not really doing the most views. It's gonna show you all that, man, so you really know how to move around there. It's good to have this app because it's just going to benefit you and make your video planning, you feel me, your video planning time more better, you feel me, because you can like see behind the scenes on your videos and be like, okay, this doing some cool views, this not really doing much, you feel me. You can really just, you know, get into it. Step number 2, man, edit your YouTube videos into shorts and post on all of your platforms. For example, all right, so look, edit your YouTube videos into shorts and post on all of your platforms. For example, Instagram, Snapchat, and then there's a share link on the bottom of your YouTube video. You can get that share link, and then you're gonna link that on your channel. Some platforms allow you to link your channel directly onto their platform, so all the person has to do is just click on it and follow the link, and then boom, they're on your channel. So yeah, I really advise that, you feel me, start taking advantage of that link, because that link will bring in more extra people. And once, it don't even matter if it's just 2 or 3 people, bro. As long as you got people coming in, your algorithm just gonna start snapping up, bro, I'm telling you. So take it slow, don't rush it, you feel me? If it's going slow, it's all right, bro. It's part of the journey. But on to the next step, man. You should start dropping YouTube Shorts. For y'all who don't know what YouTube Shorts are, it's like basically Reels on Instagram, or it's like a TikTok. And basically what YouTube said was your shorts are gonna get more viewers than your, you know, basic videos more faster, because it's on like a different algorithm engine. Don't quote me on that, but that's just to my understanding. So yeah, hopefully y'all got that locked in. But yeah, the shorts, 9 times out of 10 is going to reach a wider audience way faster, because a lot of people are just scrolling your short videos. People are just scrolling, so you know your video is going to get a lot of watch time and engagement really fast if it's, you know, good content. If it's good content. Now, YouTube doesn't just post any type of videos. You gotta have some. They don't just put any video, because like how it works is like, so, you feel me, you have to reach a certain, when you post your video, you got to reach a certain amount of views and likes for YouTube to put your video in the algorithm for it to start getting more likes. Because once they start seeing that, then they go, okay, boom, throw a more. That's how it's like an algorithm system. So once you get like My bad, I'm talking too fast. But like for an example, if you get 100 views, on your YouTube video, all organic, YouTube's gonna kind of like, you know, put it on the algorithm a little more. So then it's gonna like shoot up to 500 to possibly 1,000. And then if you start getting more engagement around there, then it's gonna just keep on going, and that repeats over and over and over. And then, oh my bad, and then the YouTube shorts require a certain size, so you gonna want to make sure it's at a 920 pixel by 1080 pixel. If it's not on that pixel size, that little, you feel me, if it's not like that, then it's gonna look like stretched out and weird. When you try to post it, it's gonna like show one part of the video, and people aren't gonna want to watch that. That's considered low quality, no effort. You are in the right spot, man, because guess what? I know an app that helps you convert your YouTube video into, you feel me, that 920 pixel by 1080, so you can fit the video right into your short, man. And that app is going to be called CapCut. They have different apps as well. You got to do a little research, man, but CapCut has been working like a breeze for me. It's been doing this big one. All you got to do is just go to CapCut, put your video on there, and then go to the format setting, and then change it to TikTok. They literally got a TikTok format, a YouTube format. They got all types of formats, man, so you can fit it in there. I also use PixArt for my pictures, for my thumbnails. You can use basically what it does is it like puts the frame on there, like, because the YouTube requires a certain like frame size. Like for me, for an example, this is just like, you feel me, like that. So it's not like that, like vertical. So you feel me, there's certain apps that have features, you feel me, already used to like these platforms, so it's already going to have it on there, man. But yeah, that's that. Step number 4, take advantage of hashtags and tags. Tags, not hashtags. Yes, I said take advantage of hashtags, but there's another thing called tags. Now what tags is basically like little tags you can add onto your video that'll boost your video if you put the right tags that are suited to your video. Like for an example, if I put like let's say I wanted to make a BandLab tutorial, and basically what BandLab is, it's like a little music app. Let's say I want to make a BandLab tutorial, right? And the BandLab tutorial was going to be about how to get high quality crispy vocals, or high quality vocals, right? This is how I do it. I would put in the tags how to sound like this person, how to sound high quality on BandLab, how to mix your song, because all of that's going to come to that you feel me, that common thing everybody looks up. So it all falls back, it all goes into the search bar. So you feel me, I'm just trying to explain it to the best of my ability. You can really learn this on YouTube if you just look up SEO, you feel me. And yeah, but that's going to be the end of the video, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that, and make sure y'all stay tuned for more dope videos. And hell yeah, man, I've been on a drop streak. I ain't even gonna lie, man. Go follow me on Instagram if y'all want to stay tuned for more dope videos. I got a music video dropping today, so going up, you feel me. Tune in with that. It's premiering right now, you feel me. But hell yeah, I'm gonna catch you on the next one, man. Curdy Bo in this thing. Curdy Bo out. Peace.